Live from the world's capital markets, here are the financial headlines, brought to you by Legion Academy.
Hello and welcome to Friday's Daily Financial Reports.
The Bank of Japan will begin preparations to conduct a pilot experiment with private financial institutions next year towards issuing a digital yen, a source familiar with the matter said. Google Cloud has partnered with Super Gaming to offer the Indian gaming startup's proprietary gaming engine Super Platform to developers worldwide, the latest in a series of recent steps from the Android maker to expand focus into the gaming industry. European Union governments remained split over what level to cap Russian oil prices at to curb Moscow's ability to pay for its war in Ukraine without causing a global oil supply shock, with more talks possible if positions converge. The Aussie-dollar pair made a minor upwards correction in the last session, gaining 0.2%. The stochastic indicator is giving a negative signal. The last session saw Apple shares gain 0.9%. The ROC is giving a positive signal, which matches our overall technical analysis. The dollar fell 0.4% against the yen in the last trading session. The ultimate oscillator is giving a negative signal. The pound-dollar pair gained 0.3% in the last session. The RSI's positive signal is in line with the overall technical analysis. Germany's GfK Consumer Confidence Survey will be released at 0700 hours GMT. Germany's gross domestic product at 0700 hours GMT. The French Consumer Confidence at 0745 GMT. Italy's business confidence will be released at 0900 hours GMT. Singapore's industrial production at 0500 hours GMT. Japan's jobs applicants ratio at 2330 GMT.
We hope that you've enjoyed Friday's Market Outlook. On behalf of all of us here, we wish you a productive trading day.